Who was the founder of Mughal Empire? Options are Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. Correct answer is option A, that is Babur. So here given, Babur was born in 1483 and his full name was Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur. He was also the descendant of Timur on his father's side, and he also took the title Ghazi. He was also the first ruler to entitle himself as Badshah, and he reigned from 1526 to 1530. In which year did the Babur invaded India? Options are 1526, 1530, 1535, 1540. And the correct answer is option A, that is 1526. So, Babur came to India originally from Fergana Valley, that is in Afghanistan, and he was invited to attack India by Daulat Khan Lodi. First battle of Panipat took place in the year, options are 1526, 1556, 1570 and 1761. Correct answer is option A, that is 1526. First battle took place in the year, that is 1526. And it was between the invading force of Babur and the Lodi Empire, and it was took place on 21st April 1526 in North India. Baburnama was written by whom? Options are Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. Correct answer option A, that is Babur. Baburnama was written by Babur, and Baburnama is also known as Tuzuk-i-Babari. Who was the son of Babur? Options are Akbar, Jahangir, Humayun, Shahjahan. Correct answer is option number C, that is Humayun. So he was the eldest son of Babur, ascended the throne in the year, that is 1530 AD. When was the Battle of Kannauj fought? Options are 1540, 1524, 1556 and 1536. So the correct answer is option A, that is 1540. And the Battle of Kannauj is fought between Humayun and Sher Shah. Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah and had to flee. In the year 1556, he fell from the stairs of library, that is Sher Mandal in Delhi, and died. The Battle of Chausa was fought between Humayun and options are Krishna Deva Raya, Nadir Shah, Sher Shah Suri and Hemu. So the correct answer is option number C, that is Sher Shah Suri. And this battle fought in the year, that is 1539, and Humayun was badly defeated and escaped, and he was saved by Nizam. How old was Akbar when he was crowned at Kalanur in 1556? Options are 12 years, 14 years, 16 years and 18 years. And the correct answer is option number B, that is 14 years. So, Akbar, son of Humayun, reigned from 1556 to 605. Akbar died on 1605 and he was the greatest of the Mughal emperor of India. Second Battle of Panipat took place in the year, options are 1526, 1556, 1561 and 1671. And the correct answer is option number B, that is 1556. 1526 was the first Battle of Panipat took place, and 1556 second Battle of Panipat took place in the year, that is 1556. So, the second Battle of Panipat was fought between the force of Samrat Hemchandra Vikramaditya, popularly called as Hemu, the Hindu king who was ruling North India from Delhi, and the other side was the army of Akbar, and Akbar defeated Hemu and reoccupied Delhi and Agra. Buland Darwaza was built by whom? Options are Humayun, Akbar, Babur, Aurangzeb. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Akbar. And Buland Darwaza was built in the year, that is 1575 at Fatehpur Sikri, and it was built to commemorate his victory over Gujarat. Mahesh Das from Akbar's court was popularly known as options A, Raja Mansingh, Raja Todarmal, Tansen and Birbal. So the correct answer is option number D, that is Birbal. Birbal was a trusty advisor. He was conferred the title of Raja by Akbar. He was also known for his charismatic wit and humor. Who was the Wazir of Akbar? Options are Faizi, Tansen, Abul Fazl and Birbal. So the correct answer is option number C, that is Abul Fazl. He also wrote Akbarnama and also led the Mughal imperial army in its war in Deccan. And Prezi was the person who translated the famous book that is Lilavati. Who was the first Englishman to visit Akbar's court? Option A, William Hawkins, Thomas Stephens, Ralph Fitch, John Mildenhall. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Ralph Fitch. So he visited in 1585 AD. He was English merchant and travelers. He traveled to India through the land road. What was the birth name of Jahangir? Options A, Khurram, Shershah, Abdul Khan, and Salim. So the correct answer is option number D, that is Salim. Jahangir was born on August 30, 1569 at Fatehpur Sikri near Agra. Akbar called him Sheikh Babu. After his coronation, he assumed the title of Nuruddin Muhammad Jahangir. The greatest failure of the reign of Jahangir's option said the loss of Kandar to Persia, executive of Guru Arjan Dev, formation and ascendancy of the Nur Jahan junta, failure to secure an inch of land in the Deccan. And the correct answer is that is option number 8, that is the loss of Kandar to Persia, that is in the year 1622. Who visited Jahangir's court in 1608? Option A, Captain William Hawkins, Sir Thomas Roe, Pitcairn, Henry Fielding. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Captain William Hawkins. And Sir Thomas Roe visited Jahangir's court in the year that is 1615. And Pitcairn was the person, or you can say the famous traveler, brought the production of tobacco from Portuguese. Whose real name was Khurram? Option A, Akbar, Shahjahan, Jahangir, Shah Alam. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Shahjahan. So Shahjahan was the fifth Mughal emperor from 1628 to 1658. He also built the magnificent Taj Mahal at Agra in memory of his wife, that is Mumtaz Mahal. And Mumtaz Mahal real name was Arjumand Banu Begum. Name the two French travelers that visited during Shah Jahan's reign. Option A, Bernier and Tavernier, Niccolo Manucci, William Hawkins, and Peter Mundi. So the correct answer is option number A, that is Bernier and Tavernier. These two French traveler visited during Shah Jahan's reign. And Niccolo Manucci was an Italian traveler who visited the Shah Jahan's reign. And Peter Mundi described the famine. Whose reign was called the Golden Age of Mughal Empire? Option A, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Humayun. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Shah Jahan. Who took the title Alamgir? Option A, Akbar, Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb was the third son of Shah Jahan, born in Ujjain. He was called as Jinda Pir, or the living saint. He prohibited intoxicating drugs and destroyed the Vishwanath temple of Varanasi, and he died in the year that is 1707 and was buried at Kuldabad. Third Battle of Panipat took place in the year option A, 1526, 1556, 1671 and 1761. So the correct answer is option number D, that is 1761. So, Third Battle of Panipat took place on 14 January 1761 at Panipat, and it is between Maratha Empire and Afghans. Battle of Buxar took place in the year option A, 1761, 1764, 1766, 1806. And the correct answer is option number B, that is 1764. So, Battle of Buxar took place after the Third Battle of Panipat, and it was fought between British East India Company and the Mughal king Shah Alam II. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Options A, Bahadur Shah II, Tipu Sultan, Babur, Aurangzeb. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Bahadur Shah II. So he reigned from 1837 to 1857. He used to write shairis in the pen name that is called Jafar. Who built Purana Killa? Options A, Jahangir, Akbar, Shershah, Humayun. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Shershah, and it was built at Delhi. So the last question for today's video, who wrote Tariq-e-Sher-Shahi? Option है Susan Rai Khatri, Abbas Khan Sarwani, Ishwar Das Nagar, Ghulam Hussain. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Abbas Khan Sarwani. So Abbas Khan Sarwani wrote Tariq-e-Sher-Shahi. So दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर आप सबको अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड हो सके तो सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.